Okay, the Skills Challenge Certificate, or some of you might know as a Welsh Baccalaureate, is a core subject at Key Stage 4. This means that everyone in Year 10 11 has to sit the course, and it's designed to provide a vehicle for students to develop essential employment skills for the future. Over the course of 2 years, we developed the following essential employment skills. We look at your literacy and numeracy skills, your digital literacy, so use of ICT, critical thinking and problem solving, planning and organisational skills, and also your personal effectiveness, which essentially is looking at you reflecting on yourself, looking at your strengths and your weaknesses, and knowing how you can improve for the future. Okay, the course is 100% coursework. That means no exam will be sat over the 2 years. So during the time of the course, there are 4 challenges that you will complete. In Year 10, you will sit 3 challenges, which are Enterprise and Employability, Global Citizenship, and Community Challenge. Then during Year 11 is when you complete the individual project, which counts for 50% of the total mark. Okay, enterprise and employability is a little bit like a Dragon's Den activity. So you work as a group to develop a product or a service. And as part of that group, as working as a team, you have to hold meetings, you have to finance your product, you have to develop a business plan, you have to pitch it to local business people, and then they select the best ideas, and then we generally hold a Christmas fair, or we do a summer fete, or it might be some kind of whole school activity where you get to showcase your products. Okay, the global challenge is an individual challenge. On this one, you actually work on yourself, and we look at global issues. Now that could be looking at future energy sources, so wind energy. It could be looking at marine litter and conservation. It might be looking at poverty. And it's where you develop your critical thinking skills, where you have to be able to look at sources, highlight key information, write an extended piece of writing on that topic, and then you look at ways to raise awareness. So it could be making videos, advertisements, t-shirts, vlogs, or a blog. Could be anything that raises awareness of that issue. And then finally, there's a little bit of reflection on the skills you developed during that challenge. Okay, the community challenge again is another group activity where, as a group, you plan to teach somebody in the local community a new skill. Now that skill could be anything from a sport, it could be cupcake decorating, it could be using ICT, developing videos. The opportunities and the choices are endless really, but it's about the planning of delivering those sessions, taking registers, lesson planning, getting your resources ready, and delivering it for 10 hours in total. Okay, finally, in Year 11, you complete an individual research project. Now this counts for 50% of the whole course, so it carries a lot of weighting. Now it is a 2,000-word research project on a topic of your choice, as long as it's related to something to do with education, a global issue, digital technology, or health. And basically, students need to come up with a title, and then they develop a research project around it, a bit like a mini dissertation, really. So then the idea of the individual research project is it incorporates all the skills they would have learned in Year 10 to help them complete the final project.